Look at the games on your shelf right now. Enjoy them. Because by 2028, that will be the last physical copies of any PlayStation game you'll ever own. Because for many of you that do not know, PlayStation has announced that they will be killing off all physical copies of games and will be essentially transitioning to just a digital era for the PlayStation console. But is this just natural evolution, or is this going to be a new era where you have to pay over $70 just for a rented game that can be easily pulled away from you with the digital library? Let's talk about it. But let's actually look at some of the pros that are represented when it comes to, well, going to a full digital era. Now, first, one of the main pros is that you'll be able to get the game basically as soon as it launches, which is very useful for a lot of developers that are either indie studios and they don't have the money to actually go for physical discs, or if there's an unexpected release from a studio that just wants to surprise their users with a game that they've been waiting for. And not just that, but a lot of users are still saying when it comes to getting a physical disc, most discs nowadays don't even have the full game installed. You would still essentially need to download more of the game that is digitally found. So yes, essentially killing the disc would mean you don't have to worry about that at all and you can just have the full game in a digital format. But of course, there are a lot of big cons. Now one of them is being that, well, PlayStation can have a full monopoly over the games that are sold on the platform. Now this actually has been kind of pointed before a few times because PlayStation is not cheap when it comes to the games on their PlayStation Store. In fact, you are paying sometimes even more than most other storefronts when it comes to the digital format. But not just that, they'll also be essentially killing off users being able to share a game to their friends. I mean, I still remember growing up, I would be trading a game with my friend just to see if I like the game or not, so I can buy it for myself. Not just that, but also the used market is getting hit badly with this decision. Because just think of it, you don't really have the finances to get the full game brand new, but you can still get a copy of the game secondhand, where you can still enjoy the game, get for a good special, and I mean, hey, it's a win-win for everyone, because you still get to buy the game, and you still get to enjoy it. And of course, one of the main cons is you won't be able to collect the game and have it for historical moments. Now, a lot of users that are for this whole movement of having no discs are still saying users on PC have Steam. And I mean, that is fully digital. PC users are mostly digital based. Now, yes, that is true. Most users don't really go for discs anymore when it comes to a PC system, because you can just get it from Steam, Epic Games, or any other storefront. But with that argument, do keep in mind, Steam has specials. Steam gives its users a good special when it comes to a game that they are wanting to go for. And that's something that most users don't know. Steam has heavy specials, whereas PlayStation, they barely have any specials. I mean, the same goes to Xbox. It is rare to have a good special or deal on any games you want to go for. Now, of course, with the topic of us talking about PlayStation discontinuing discs, there are also talks of Xbox doing the same thing in the same time period. But this is where I do think Xbox does have upper hand, because they are doing a decision that is something that I think PlayStation should actually take note of. Because, well, Xbox wants to do it where you can actually just still have the physical game, but you can insert it and get a digital copy of the game. So you can still have a digital version and still have the physical disc. Now this is where I think Xbox will definitely have more users go for it, because you can still collect the physical copies of a game and still have it for display to just show that you have a game that you were always wanting to have. But yet again, at the end of the day, we are in a newer era and we are in 2026 where digital is becoming the new norm for everything. But do let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts on this whole situation about PlayStation discontinuing disc versions of games. Or do you think PlayStation is trying to have more of a monopoly over the PlayStation Store? But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next one. Be safe as always, every day onwards.